Government of Maharashtra welcome all the industry leaders, eminent speakers, and everyone who has joined this platform uh, across the world to this virtual NASSCOM International SAB Conclave. MIDC, on behalf of Government of Maharashtra, is pleased to be a partner as a state host with NASSCOM International SAB Conclave. And we are looking forward to these growing relations. Maharashtra has been associated with NASSCOM since last many years, especially with this one as it is focusing on the small and medium businesses. Our small and medium businesses is the backbone of industry, and we are focused to strengthen this sector. Small and medium businesses, they provide employment opportunities on a large scale. Their share in export is also very significant. And therefore, my government has decided to reserve industrial plots for SME sector. Now, particularly for these technology-based businesses, we will certainly support at every stage. It will be complete handholding. We are ready with ample land parcels, ready with infrastructure. As much as 40,000 hectares of land is available, which is industrially developed across the state in different districts. We have we are also ready with our new scheme of Mahaparvana, that is master license. So industries don't have to run from pillar to post, gathering all the clearances, permits, licenses. Within 48 hours, they will be given one master license or Mahaparvana. And within 30 days, all other licenses would be issued. This is the mandate. And under able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we are achieving our goals. We are focused towards this target. And ease of doing business is a way of business here. It is our major feature in functioning of all government departments. We have also created a web portal, Mahajobs, where job seekers and job givers are there on one platform. And this portal offers large opportunities across various sectors. And they are now uh, having an opportunity to contact each other without any intervention from outside agencies or government department. They are free to contact each other. And Maharashtra is fortunate to have skilled manpower. We have universities across the state, where from more than a million graduates pass out every year with degrees in their hands. So, with this background, Maharashtra is always ready or ever ready to support this kind of initiatives. I congratulate NASSCOM for driving this process, and I wish a grand success towards this initiative. My Department of Industries, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, and for this purpose, the whole government is behind you and your initiatives. So, all the very best to NASSCOM, and I wish great success and very successful years ahead to every participant in this conclave. Thank you very much.